How to turn on caption on YouTube app. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn on the captions on the YouTube app. The first thing you're going to have to do is open up the YouTube application and make sure that you are logged into your account. In order to turn on the caption, all you have to do is simply go ahead and tap on the video where you want to turn on the caption. Now, once you just go ahead and tap on the video, it will start playing. Now, to turn on the caption, it's quite easy. So you'll find the caption icon at the top of your screen, right beside settings. So you have the caption, just tap on it, and the subtitles will be auto-generated in English. So if I just play the video, as you can see here, I have got the subtitles of the video on my screen. So if you want to move the subtitles up and down, you could do that as well if you're on PC. And if you want to change language settings, you could do that. If you tap on the settings menu and then go to caption, you could turn off the caption. And if there are any other languages, you could auto translate your caption to other languages. So let's say if I wanted to auto translate to French, I can tap on it. And if I play this, the subtitle will now be on French. So that's how you basically turn on the caption on YouTube. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.